What is up guys, buongiorno, this is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this typical Italian type of cheese that is so juicy, so creamy, so delicious. We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name Mozzarella. Mozzarella. You do want to insist on the double letters, the double Z or double Z and the double L. And you do want to insist on the E, on the Ella part. Overall, mozzarella. Mozzarella. It'd be fine in English or American to simply say mozzarella. Mozzarella. You do want to insist on the E real strongly. Mozzarella. If you want to learn how to pronounce all of the typical Italian produce, the types of pasta, of different cheeses, and much more, here are many more videos that you should watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of Italian pronunciation. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.